welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. And then for breakfast, I'm having some granola with strawberry yogurt. So excited. Came home for lunch. And there's tons of Christmas gifts just sitting here waiting for me to wrap. I'm super excited. And there's a little needy cat. All right, I'm finally home, and I've decided tonight I'm going to make myself some baked brie. I usually try to buy the round one just because it fits in a pan better, but they didn't have the round one. So I need to buy one of those little brie pots that you put the little round ones in. They're like perfectly shaped for brie and whatnot. Anyways, yes, okay, I think this is all I need out of the fridge. Yes. I'm gonna make some baked brie, and I bought a baguette, and I'm gonna put this in the oven. I'm gonna try to find a recipe that I used last year, because I don't remember how long you're supposed to put it in the oven. So, okay, so we're just gonna make some simple like honey baked brie. So we're gonna open up the brie, put it in a pan. I sprayed the pan with some cooking oil just in case, because I don't want it to be a sticky mess, and I can't remember if it stuck to this pan or not last year. So we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to unwrap this, put it in the pan, and put some honey on it. I think it says 2 tablespoons, but I may put more than that, like you never know. All right, so we're gonna put the cheese in here. Binx, shush. We're gonna put this in here. It says to leave the rind on, so don't peel off this or cut off this like weird white layer. Leave that there. Get down. What are you doing? You know you're not supposed to be up here. Anyway, let's go get the honey. I kind of want to do a whole video just trying to organize this mess. Okay, we've got our honey. We're just gonna put it over it like this. Really, I bet you can just put as much as you want. I mean, I wouldn't put, you know, too much, but it said 2 tablespoons, and I feel like that's a lot. So I'm gonna just, you know. Okay, that's enough. Oh my god, I'm so excited because I bought a baguette to go with my baked brie, and I'm super excited. I meant to buy apples, but I forgot to buy apples. I was so sad. So we're gonna wait on this to get preheated, and then we'll stick this in. And while the oven is preheating, I'm also gonna make me some coffee in my Santa baby mug. Yeah. Oh look, it says, "Hurry down the chimney tonight." Oh, so cute. Okay. Yes, that is my orange juice from this morning, but it was my second glass that I did not finish, not the first one. This is the coffee I buy from Walmart if anyone is interested. Not only is it cheap, but it's very strong, and I really, really like it, and I think Ethan does too, so. Okay, it says to leave it in there for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it in there for 12, and then hopefully it'll be all runny and gooey when you cut into it, so yeah. Okay, let's see if it comes out all warm and gooey. Well, okay, it's not quite done yet. Needs a little more time. Okay. Okay, it's very gooey. I had to close myself off in my room and eat it in here because Binx kept trying to touch this hot pan, so. Oh, Binx. You're snoring. You're snoring. Hola, I'm at work. I was editing this video and realized that I didn't end the vlog. So this is me ending the vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. After I made my cheese last night, I watched the new episode of Catfish and went to bed. So anyways, okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.